Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Water Pump Repair Kit. This kit is for various outboard engines, including Mercury Marine, Chrysler Force, Honda, and MerCruiser Outboards. A few specific engines this kit is for include the MerCruiser 40, 45, 50, and 64-stroke Bigfoot, Command Thrust, the 75, 90, 115, or 150 4-strokes, 70, 75, 80, 90 3-cylinder 2 cycles, the V200, 225, 250 horsepower 3.0 liter 2 cycles, all 4 or 6-cylinder Verado outboards with the 4.8 diameter torpedo gear case, MerCruiser Alpha I Gen 2s, and many more. This specific part is a direct replacement for the factory water pump, which is located on the side of the engine. To know if this is something you need, you will traditionally have weird noises from the water pump itself, causing the engine to overheat. What the water pump does is it pressurizes water using an impeller. That allows for water circulation throughout the outboard to cool it down. Either fresh water or salt water can be used, and as mentioned, if this isn't working properly, your engine could overheat, causing even more issues. Included with this comprehensive kit are all new gaskets, new O-rings and seal ring, a new wear plate, and of course, an impeller with improved material for additional longevity. An impeller keystone is also included with this kit to ease in the installation process. If you have any questions about this water pump repair kit, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.